I was at Gare du Nord in Paris. My train left at 16 heures, 1600 hours. I thought, okay, 4 p.m. I showed up at 4 p.m. The platform was empty. My train was gone. Why? Because I forgot. French people use 24-hour time. 16 heures is 4 p.m., yes, but they don't say 4 p.m. They say 16 hours. And I missed my train because I didn't understand French time expressions. That disaster cost me 150 euros for a new ticket. And today, I'm making sure this never happens to you. In the next 10 minutes, you'll master French time expressions, how to tell time, how to say when things happen, how to understand schedules, and most importantly, how to never miss a train like I did. And here's what nobody tells you. There are 3 time systems in French: morning, afternoon, 24-hour clock, and casual expressions. Mix them up and you'll be lost. But here's the good news. I'm revealing the one trick that makes all French time expressions instantly clear. Ready to never miss a train again? Allons-y. Let me start with the basics. What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? It is 1 o'clock. Il est une heure. Il est une heure. Notice, il est, it is, not say. It is 2 o'clock. Il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. It is 3 o'clock. Il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. But here's secret number 1. For minutes, you use different words depending on the position. It is 2:15. Il est 2 heures et quart. Il est 2 heures et quart. Et quart, and a quarter. It is 2:30. Il est 2 heures et demie. Il est 2 heures et demie. Et demi, and a half. It is 2:45. Il est 3 heures moins le quart. Il est 3 heures moins le quart. Moins le quart, minus the quarter. 3 hours minus 15. This is how French thinks. But wait, there's a second system, the one that made me miss my train. Keep watching. Okay, here's secret number 2, and this is the one that cost me 150 euros. French schedules use 24-hour time, not AM/PM. They count from 0 to 24. The train leaves at 4 p.m. Le train part à 16 heures. Le train part à 16 heures. 16 heures, 16 hours, not 4 heures de l'après-midi. The meeting is at 2 p.m. La réunion est à 14 heures. La réunion est à 14 heures. 14, 14. The store closes at 7 p.m. Le magasin ferme à 19 heures. Le magasin ferme à 19 heures. 19, 19. So when you see train schedules, bus times, store hours, always add 12 after noon. Midi is 12. 13 is 1 p.m. 14 is 2 p.m. All the way to 24, midnight. That's how I missed my train. I saw 16 heures and thought, 16, that's late. But it's 4 p.m. But here's where it gets interesting. French people have a third system for casual conversation, and it's super different. Here's secret number 3. How French people actually talk about time and conversation. In the morning. In the morning. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. I work in the afternoon. I work in the afternoon. In the evening. In the evening. At night. At night. But here's the trick. You can combine them. At 8 in the morning. At 8 in the morning. At 3 in the afternoon. At 3 in the afternoon. At 9 in the evening. At 9 in the evening. Now here's what's cool. You can use either system. 3 heures de l'après-midi or 15 heures. Both work, but schedules always use 24 hours. But we're not done. What about yesterday, today, tomorrow? That's where it gets fun. Now, let's talk about when things happen. This is super useful. Today. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Today, I have a meeting. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une réunion. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une réunion. Tomorrow, demain. Demain. Tomorrow I travel. Demain je voyage. Demain je voyage. Yesterday, hier. Hier. The day before yesterday. Avant-hier. Avant-hier. The day after tomorrow. Après-demain. Après-demain. This week. Cette semaine. Cette semaine. Next week. La semaine prochaine. La semaine prochaine. Last week. La semaine dernière. La semaine dernière. Now here's a cool trick. In 2 days, dans 2 jours. In 3 hours, dans 3 heures. Dans for future. The train leaves in 1 hour. Le train part dans 1 heure. Le train part dans 1 heure. If only I'd known this at Gare du Nord. Now, let me show you real conversations. Imagine you're at Gare du Nord now. You know all 3 systems. Watch this. Excuse me, what time is it? Excusez-moi, quelle heure est-il? Excusez-moi, quelle heure est-il? It is 3:30. Il est 3h30. Il est 3h30. When does the train to Lyon leave? Quand part le train pour Lyon? Quand part le train pour Lyon? The train leaves at 4:15 p.m. Le train part à 16h15. Le train part à 16h15. 16h15, 16:15, not 4h15. Schedule time. Perfect. I arrive tomorrow morning. Parfait. J'arrive demain matin. Parfait. J'arrive demain matin. Did you hear that? All 3 systems. Quelle heure est-il? Conversational. 16h15, schedule. Demain matin, time period. This is how you never miss a train. What time do you wake up? À quelle heure tu te réveilles? À quelle heure tu te réveilles? I wake up at 7 in the morning. Je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. Je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. Let's recap the 3 time systems. System 1. Basic clock time. Il est 2 heures. 2 heures et quart. 3 heures moins le quart. Et quart. Et demi. Moins le quart. System 2. 24-hour schedules. 16 heures is 4 p.m. 14 heures is 2 p.m. Always add 12 after noon for schedules. This is the system that made me miss my train. System 3. Casual time periods. Le matin. l'après-midi, le soir, la nuit, du matin, de l'après-midi, du soir. Remember that Gare du Nord disaster? 150 euros wasted. Now you'll never make that mistake. Le train part à 16 heures. You know instantly, 4 p.m. Not late night. Not confusing. You're prepared. Your homework. Check a French train schedule online. Look at the times. Convert them to regular time. Then comment below. Le train part à 18 heures. What time is that? I'll check your answers. But here's the thing. You know how to talk about time now. But what about places? Because last month, I tried to describe a cafe to a French friend. I said c'est grand et blanc, big and white. She looked at me, confused, and said, that's literally every cafe in Paris. Describing places in French is tricky. There's a specific order for adjectives, and if you mess it up, you say the opposite of what you mean. Next video, describing places the right way. Subscribe. Merci. À bientôt.